You quoted the job at $8,400. The other bloke quoted it $7,900. You lost it over $500. And here's the bit that should really annoy you. You're better than him. Better work, better crew, better warranty. The customer just couldn't see it on paper. I worked with Dan, a chippy in Newcastle, who was winning one deck job in 4. Always the cheapest or nothing. We rebuilt what he was selling. Same trade, same crew, same suburbs. Now he wins 2 out of 3 at prices 15% higher than the quotes he used to lose with. Today, I'm going to show you the exact 3 moves Dan made to build a service offer that cannot be compared to another tradie's quote. And stick around, because at the end, I'll give you a 1-sentence exercise that finds your uncomparable angle in about 10 minutes. It works for any trade. Here's the rule nobody tells you. If a customer can compare you, you've already lost. The game isn't winning the comparison. The game is making comparison impossible. Let me show you why your quotes are getting price checked and exactly how to stop it. Grab your last quote. Materials, labor, a total at the bottom, maybe your logo at the top. Now picture your competitor's quote for the exact same job. Materials, labor, total, logo at the top, they're the fucking same document. Different letterhead. And when 2 bits of paper look the exact same, the customer has exactly one way to choose between them, the number at the bottom. You forced them to price shop, not because they're cheap, because you gave them nothing else to weigh up. Let's look at what the comparison game actually costs you. Say you're pricing an $8,000 job and you run a 15% margin. That's $1,200 profit. The other quote comes in $800 under. So you match it to win the job. You just gave away 2/3 of your profit to do the same work with the same risk. Do that on every second job across a year. A $1.2 million business drops 40 to 50 grand pure profit. Not to lazy work, not to bad customers, to a piece of paper that looked like everyone else's. And here's why this keeps happening. 3 reasons. 1, you sell your trade, not an outcome. Supply and install is a commodity. Every licensed operator in your postcode sells the same words. 2, you do a heap of things you never write down. The site cleanup, the compliance cert, the photos, the callback, you do them, but they're not on the paper. So the customer can't value them. 3, you carry all the proof and none of the promise. You know you'll show up on time and do it right, but the quote makes no promise the other blokes doesn't. So your reliability is worth exactly 0 at decision time. The operators who never get price checked aren't cheaper and they're not better salesmen. They've done 3 things to what they sell. Number 1, they name their offer. It's not supply and install. It's a named package that exists nowhere else. 2, stack it. Everything they already do gets written into the offer, so the customer finally sees what they're actually buying. And 3, guarantee it. They make one promise on paper that no competitor is game to match. Do those 3 things and the customer physically cannot line your quote up against another. There's nothing to line up. Back to Dan's. Before quoting decks as supply and install timber, $14,200, winning 1 in 4, and only when he was cheapest. After selling the 10-day deck, fixed price, lock start date, weather delay guarantee, site cleaned every night, final photos and maintenance guide at handover, $16,400, 2 out of 3. Quick maths. Before, 1 from 4 quotes at $14,200, thin margin. After, 2 wins from 3 quotes at $16,400 with the margin built back in. Same crew, same suburbs. The deck didn't change. The offer did. I'm about to walk you through all 3 moves, every step, every example. But I've also put the whole system into a free download called the Uncomparable Offer Kit. The naming worksheet, the inclusion checklist, the guarantee templates, everything. Links in the description. Grab it whenever you are ready. Move 1. This is the one that changes the whole game. It's turning your service into a named offer. Here's the principle. A customer can compare supply and install hot water system from 3 plumbers in 30 seconds, but they can't compare the same day hot water rescue to anything because nobody else sells it. Here's a real world quote. Supply and install 315 litre electrical hot water system, $2,400. That sentence appears on 100 quotes in your city this week. Now, watch what happens when we rebuild it. First, what does the customer actually want? Not a cylinder. Hot water back today. No mess, no surprise, no callbacks. So we name it that. The same day hot water rescue. We're changing this. Underneath it, called before 10 a.m. Hot water tonight. Old unit gone, new unit certified, fixed price locked before we start, and a 5-year workmanship warranty on top of the manufacturers. $26.90. $290 more than the commodity quote. And it wins because the other two bits of paper say supply and install. And this one says your problem is gone by dinner. The naming formula is simple. The outcome plus the time frame or the speciality. The 10-day deck, the weekend bathroom turnaround, the rental compliance package, the switchboard safety upgrade. Name what they get, not what you do. And one more level if you want to own a lane. Name it for a customer type. In a previous video, I talked about dream clients, property managers, gyms, retirement villages. The property manager's emergency plumbing plan can never be price checked against a domestic plumber's quote. You've left that category. The naming formula, outcome plus time frame plus a worksheet with 30 fill-in-the-blank examples for every major trade. It's in the uncomparable offer kit. Links in the description. Steal the format. Don't start from a blank page. Move 2, grab a pen because this one's confronting. I want you to list everything you already do on a job that never appears on your quote. Site cleaned every single day, not just at the end. Old materials taken away and disposed of properly. Compliance certificate lodged, copy emailed, photos of the finished work and the hidden work inside the walls before it's covered up. A follow-up call 2 weeks later to make sure everything's perfect. Your apprentice wearing boot covers inside the house. You do all of it, and the customer values none of it because it's not on the paper. In their eyes, you and the cheapest bloke are offering the same thing, but you're not. But invisible work is unpaid work. So move 2 is brutal in its simplicity. Write it all into the offer. Every inclusion, every standard, line by line, under the offer name. Now, when your quote lands next to your competitors, the customer isn't comparing two numbers anymore. They're comparing a number against a system. And they start asking the other bloke the questions your quote planted. Is cleanup included? Do I get a compliance cert? What happens if something goes wrong in a month? You've turned your quote into their checklist, and every question is one the cheap quote can't answer. And here's the pricing effect. The stack justifies the premium without you saying a single defensive word. Dan's deck went from $14,200 to $16,400. That's the stacked, priced 15% straight onto the margin for work he already was doing. He didn't add cost, he added visibility. Move 3 is the moat. One promise on paper that no competitor in your area is game to match. For example, on site on the day we booked, or $100 a day off your bill. Fixed price locked before we start. If we find a surprise, we wear it. No mess promise. Your place cleaner than we found it, or the final invoice drops by 5%. Pick one. The one your dream customer is most scared about. For most trades, that's showing up and finishing on time. Because every customer has a horror story about a tradie who vanished. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'll get burned. Let's do the maths instead of the panic. If you run your business properly, how often are you actually a day late? One job in 20. So on one job in 20, you give back $100. And on the other 19, that guarantee is winning you jobs at full margin against quotes that promise nothing. It's the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever write. And here's the kicker. The guarantee forces your scheduling to tighten up, which makes you better anyway. The guarantee templates, 5 of them, with the exact wording and the maths for setting your payout so it never hurts. They're in the kit, link below. Right, let me give you the 10-minute exercise that I promised. It's one sentence. We're the only trade in area who X, your job is to fill in the X. Write the sentence frame on a notebook. Grab your phone, open the Notes app, and finish that sentence 10 different ways. Don't filter. The only plumber on the coast with a fixed price bathroom, handover day cleaned and photographed. The only landscaper in the hills who locks your start date in writing. Most of your 10 will be rubbish. 1 or 2 will make you sit up. That is your uncomparable angle. And it becomes the headline of your named offer, the top line of your website, the first thing out of your mouth on a quote call. And here's the test. If a competitor could honestly say the same sentence, then sharpen X until they can't. When you land on a sentence only you can say, that's the moment you stop being compared. And do it today move, pull up your last 10 lost quotes. For each one, ask, did they pick the other bloke or did they pick the cheaper identical bit of paper? I'll bet the last 7 were identical paper losses. That's not a price problem. That's an offer problem. And now you know how to fix it. So here's what I want you to do this week. 3 moves in order. Tonight, the only we exercise. 10 sentences on your phone. Find your X. Tomorrow, name 1 offer. Your most common job. Outcome plus time frame. Write the stack under it. Everything you already do that's never made it onto paper. This week, put 1 guarantee on it and send it to your next 3 quotes. Then watch what happens to the conversion. Everything I walked you through is in a free download called the Uncomparable Offer Kit, the naming worksheet with 30 examples, the inclusion stack checklist, all 5 guaranteed templates with the payout maths, the only we line finder, and a before and after quote example so you can see the whole thing assembled. Now, I didn't gate it behind anything weird. Pop your email in and it's yours. Links in the description. Now, here's the thing. The uncomparable offer is 1/2 of the money equation. The other half is what happens when you present it. Because even a named, stacked, guaranteed offer can die in a bad quote conversation. I've done a whole video on that. Why tradies lose 80% of their quotes and the 3 fixes. It's on the screen now and linked below. Watch that next and you'll have the offer and the close. If you'd rather just talk to us about building the whole thing into your business, that link's in the description too. But even if you never do either, do the lost quote audit this week. 10 quotes, 10 minutes. When you see how many you lost to an identical bit of paper, you'll never send a commodity quote again. If this was useful, hit subscribe. I put out stuff like this all the time, specifically for trade business owners. Drop a comment telling me the last job you lost on price. What was the gap? A few hundred, a grand? I'd love to know. And one more thing. If you want me to shoot a video on exactly how to price a named offer so the margin's actually built in from day one, comment the word price below and I'll make it. See you in the next one.